Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Waddleston and this is Unconscious. That's all. Just touch every door handle we can, of course. Lick it even. No, I make it my own mission to lick every door handle I can. Why? Because I want to teach my body that it is stronger than the germs on those door handles. How many diseases do I have? Okay, there we go. We got it. We tried. We tried. We tried out here. We try out here to be welcoming. I'm in a hospital. Don't know what for. Don't know why I would ever be in a hospital. But hey, actually, I've been to the hospital once to remove my appendix because that sucker was about to burst. And I think in medical terms that's not great. But hey, what do I know? Out of order. Okay. Can I run? Nope. We're walking. But anyways, hello. Have you guys been doing? It's been a while. It's been a long time. Well, not a while. I probably saw you yesterday, Sunday, whatever. Blah 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 blah. But what I've been up to has just been I've recently started to get back. What can I? There we go. I've recently started to get back into well, I'm not even saying get back into, but for the first time in a long time, I played indoor soccer with a couple friends that I had, and gosh, am I out of shape. I haven't done any form of exercise. Okay. That's not gonna stop me from freaking jiggling. Is there anything in that room actually? I just kind of nope, just the mannequins. Mannequin room, of course. Everybody needs one of those. I have one. But yeah, I recently started getting into. Oh, is this just a loop? Oh my gosh. Kind of reminds me of is death is that just another door? I don't know, but I'm about to open it. Or I'm gonna try to. Any door can try to stop me, but no door has been able to hold me back yet. None at all. What is going on here? I don't understand. But before I was so rudely interrupted before. Yeah, I tried recently getting back into indoor soccer. Or like I used to play soccer, but indoor is just smaller version of that. And I can't keep up like I used to in my youth. I think I'm very out of shape, and I hope to get into more shape later on. But I don't like you guys. Can I close this back up? I really don't like this. Really don't like that. Whatever. Okay. Okay, the painting just fell. The painting just fell. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Let's concentrate on the game. The story time later. Story time later. Now. Try not to die. I will jiggle every single door if it's the last thing I freaking do. You can't stop me. No dang mannequins can stop me. No dang mannequin will ever be able to stop me. What do you say now? Do we continue to dream after death? I don't know, man. You're asking the wrong guy. I'm very... Actually, I don't know what I am. I'm Waddleston. But yes, back to the story. I was very out of shape. So much so that I was feeling lightheaded. I thought I was going to pass out. And I ended up getting a cramp. not the greatest of situations. I realized that my old aging body is near decay, and I thought I might as well, just try to become a little bit more active. But hey, I'm glad I did it anyways. What did that have to do with this game? Absolutely not a single thing. That's the thing you should expect from my channel. Absolute nonsense, buffoonery, bullcrap. But hey, you're here, you're listening to it. Thank you for what you pal. I don't like that none of the doors open for that one. A little bit of a jump there, but hey, it's fine. It's okay. Let's just keep going. I'm opening the door first. Okay. Do we continue to dream? So, did the loop end there? Just went to the same thing. The elevator. I'm taking the elevator. Screw that. Screw that mess. screw that mess. We're out of here. We're out of here. We're home free, baby. Going now. Okay. Fine, I guess. Screw. It's getting darker. Why is it getting darker? I don't like that it's getting darker. I really don't. Posture check. Call me out on that. Seriously, I don't want to be an old arthritis riddled man. But we're here. You think a little bit of dark is gonna stop me from jiggling all these doorknobs, licking them, doing unspeakable things to these doorknobs is what I live for. We keep moving, keep going, we're fine. Okay. A little bit less light. What does that even do, Makes me sleepy, honestly. I don't really even care. Oh, okay, we keep moving. We keep trucking. We move forward. This is what we're about. Waddleson Channel, move forward. We carry on. We aren't scared. We aren't little babies. We are strong, powerful people. We build. We build. We build up. Okay. It's fine. Fine. Jiggle the doorknob. Where'd he go? They don't move. That's kind of the whole. That's kind of their whole shtick, They aren't supposed to jump around all of a sudden. Why are they doing? What's up with all that now? That's all. Stick with who you are. Stick with your strong points, okay? I can't see that. Can't. Was there a head there that? We're fine. Just carry on. Keep going. We don't care. We do not care. We do not care. What do I hear? There's something in there. You gotta hear that. You have to hear that as well. Whatever. Just forget it. Keep walking. Hallway is clear. Keep going forward. We're okay, we're okay, we're okay, we're okay, we're okay. It's just the building creaking in, you know, like settling in. That's it. It's the building settling in, you know. So many hallways that it's weird. It just happens sometimes. And a good day to you. Just the building settling in and just being a part of who it is. Just being a part of who it is. Let it be a part of who it is. What was that noise? Okay. Okay, look, we're getting into it. We're getting into this is the meats and potatoes is right here. This is it. Behind this door is an exit. Why? How do I know that? You may be asking. The answer is simple. There was a sign earlier. You remember? Charles flashback. Sign. There. Point it. Point red. Big red point at it. Right there. Now put me on the screen. Make me big. Make me small. Make me a upside down. I'm upside down. You want to see a barrel roll? Ooh. This is the exit. Trust me. Alright. After this, I'm going to be doing my outro, and sooner or later, you'll be it. It was out. I'm trustworthy. I'm a trustworthy sort. I'm a trustworthy source. We're good. We're good. Hallway cleared. Shka! The wheelchair is gone. Wheelchair is gone. I repeat, wheelchair gone. Wheels is on the move. Computer is off. Power is gone. Wheels is taken over. Wheels has more powerful mode of transportation here. Advantageous. Less energy required. Oh. Wheels has been sighted. Wheels has been neutralized. We move. Okay. I don't know what is happening here. The ghost decided to slam the door on my face. But it's fine. What was that noise? Doesn't matter. We move. Clear. Onward. Wham! Okay. Computer's still off. Oh, okay. It's just enough. The door behind the door trick. How many times have I fallen for that one? Don't answer that. I don't know, actually. Answer it, actually. Put it in the comments down below. How many times have I fallen behind the door, the door behind the door trick? Okay. We're good. We're safe. We're still moving. We're fine. I think. Probably. I wonder, am I missing something? Am I supposed to find something? Or am I just supposed to keep jiggling all these doorknobs? Touching them all over the place. You know what I mean? Feeling the doorknobs on the palm of my hands. Feels mighty nice. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just keep going. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Oh, light bulb is out. Oh, what are you? Holy crap. Hey, guy. Oh, can you not do that? Can I just outrun him? What are you gonna do, catch me? How far can I outrun him? Quick! Find the stairs! You won't be able to chase me up there. Oh dang, you're kind of catching up, aren't you? Dang, you're pretty fast. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna, maybe I'll just let him catch me. I'm kind of. What's up with your face? All right. Was I supposed to run towards the end of the hallway instead of letting him catch? Let me try that. I'll be back. Oh, I gotta start over. I'll be back. Just give me a second. I'm back from whatever you just experienced. I don't know what you just experienced. I hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know what it is. Figure it out, Charles. Don't give me back talk. Don't give me back talk. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Mutual respect. Mutual, as always. You had to give me back, didn't you? I believe it's the next door. That thing will probably get out and chase me, and I'm not about that life. So I will walk at a moderately faster pace than the wheelchair, and that wheelchair will not be able to catch up to me. They call me Hot Wheels for a reason, and that's cuz alright, here we go. You ready to outrun him? You ready to outrun him? He's a lot faster than I remembered him. Oh my gosh. We got this, we got this. Holy freak! Is that an exit? Okay. We got this. We got this. We're doing fine. Jiggle doorknob for good luck. Never mind. He's behind. You can hear those tires screeching. He is going bad. I'm fine. Where am I? I was just tired. Or no, I wasn't just tired. I was unconscious. That was unconscious. And I believe that wheelchair guy was deaf, maybe? I don't know. Maybe there's no deeper meaning. Maybe a guy in a wheelchair just had it out for me. Maybe that's it. But either way, we finished it. Pretty good game. They tried to set up the aesthetic for it. They did a really good job for it. Really glad I played it. Well, anyways, that's going to be it for today, guys. That was Unconscious. If you liked it, then there's a link down in the description down below. If you're a new viewer, thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you. And thank you for being around in the community. Anyways, as always, thank you guys for clicking on my video. Good luck with anything you're doing in life. And I really do hope to see you in the next one. My name is Waddleston, and peace.